Welcome back to my channel. In this vlog, I'll be taking you with me and my family at Mactan Resort by 1521. Yes, I am back here for a staycation with the fam. Let's go. So this is our room. So, 2-bedroom din siya. No, not 2-bedroom. Bedroom for 2. But nagpa-add lang mig extra bed kay 4 man me. Say hi. Kuya, hi. Hi, Mami. Yes. Sea view siya na room. Look at our view, guys.
It's to open, guys. Sa pinaka-frame.
Dire? Whoa, look at that view. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Thanks to Miss Ange of Mactan Resort by 1521 for preparing this for us. Thank you. Thank you so, so much. I love the room and the view. Dental kit, vanity kit is included, and towels. Coffee included. Nasa ref and a safe. The view, round 2, because why not? It's beautiful. I wish the weather was sunny. Wish we had a better weather, but it's all good. Guess we're not tanning. Hopefully it gets better tomorrow. I wish nice scrambled eggs because I prefer my eggs scrambled. Their food, guys, if you order food from their menu, their pasta, their shakes, they're all good. I've tried it before during my first visit here, so I highly recommend that. But the breakfast can be improved, but it is okay. For rates, FYI, this room is 10,800 pesos. And then for other rooms, room rates, you may inquire at you may inquire via their Facebook page. Just type in or search Mactan Resort by 1521.